Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisine du Monde, a platform whereby global cooking and recipes become easy at your fingertips. So if today is your first, my name is Chef Ayesha and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you can support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, commenting and sharing it with others so that they equally get to benefit from the content. And don't forget to turn on your bell icon for notification. That way anytime I upload a video such as one of these, you'll be the first to get notified. So today we are on the shores of Ghana and we're gonna make some light soup. So tomato soup, but with all the trimmings. So stay tuned as I take you through the recipe. So we have some salt for taste, we have some herring powder or Amane powder or pepper seasoning, some thyme, some rosemary, some 2 large onions, some garlic, some ginger, Scotch bonnet. We have some bay leaf, grain of salam, as well as cloves. This is just for the garnishing of the soup. We have some green seasoning. I put a link of my green seasoning, my 2 large carrots, some tomato paste, plum tomatoes 1 can, and our chicken and some tripe. So that's or offal, the shaki intestine. So we have chicken and some offal, and we're gonna add some tilapia, but that's for later because it's fish. It's gonna, disintegrate very soon. Allow the chicken to obviously steam in its own juice, but then we're gonna aid it by giving it some spices. So I'm gonna start off with the green seasoning. 1 tablespoon of my green seasoning, or maybe in a quarter. I'm gonna allow this to steam. Then please stir this to distribute holistically, and then we're gonna cover it and then get on with the other seasoning. We're gonna do a seasoning for this. So I've just added the onions, garlic, that's about 5, ginger, half thumb of ginger, thyme. In goes the thyme, goes our rosemary. So rosemary and chicken are a match made in heaven, so very crucial. Rest of the seasoning, the Scotch bonnet last because I don't want to start sneezing and coughing at that moment. So once we've blended it, we're gonna just add it. In it goes. It's gonna make our soup very nice. Gently stir this. Guys, add some salt, taste. Those are all pepper seasoning and powder. Goes 1 bay leaf. Goes 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Please stir everything. In goes my tomato. Onions, so we'll allow this to allow it to steam. I'm gonna remove this. We're gonna blend it in here. So tomato. Guys, we're gonna pour in our blendables. Add in water.
Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well. Live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for.
you like the video, give me a thumbs up.
Ayesha,
Don't forget to
cuisine.
subscribe and
You
share.
are what you eat.
And turn on your bell icon for notifications.